Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what ports are on the CHiQ 22F650. So as you guys can see here, we have the power port. This is the first one. We use it to power our CHiQ. So basically we just plug it in and it works. Now the next one is for our 3.5mm jack headphones, and here we have the VGA port, so it's for the older monitors too. And the last one is a pretty new HDMI port. So in total we have 3 usable ports, which 2 of them are for connecting the monitor and the third one is to connect the headphones, because we do not count our power here. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.